Elon Musk offered Amber Heard 24/7 security after she told him she wanted a restraining order against Johnny Depp, the High Court has heard. She denied Mr. Musk visited her while her then-husband Mr. Depp was away. Mr. Depp, 57, is suing the publisher of The Sun over an article that labeled him a wife-beater, but the newspaper insists it was accurate. When Elon Musk spoke up against Amber Heard. The US actress, 34, was giving evidence in London for a second day on the 11th day of her ex-husband's libel action. She dismissed suggestions Mr. Musk visited her in 2015 while Mr. Depp was away, saying she was not in touch with the Tesla founder until the following year. On Tuesday, Mr. Depp's lawyer, Eleanor Laws QC, questioned Ms. Heard on her statement, in which the lawyer said the actress has indicated that Mr. Depp was illogically jealous and that she wasn't having any illicit relationships. The trial judge, Mr. Justice Nicole, intervened to say the word illicit carries a connotation. The lawyer read out text messages between Ms. Heard and Mr. Musk from the 22nd of May 2016, in which Ms. Heard told him that she was going to get a restraining order against Mr. Depp. The messages came a day after an alleged incident at the Eastern Columbia building in Los Angeles, where Mr. Depp and Ms. Heard lived, in which the actress claims Mr. Depp threw her mobile phone at her, hitting her in the face, which the actor denies. Questioning Ms. Heard, Ms. Laws said Mr. Musk offered to arrange 24/7 security for you, adding that he said the offer would stand even if you never wanted to see me again. Anyway, sorry for being an idiot. The radio silence hurts a lot. It only matters because I really like you. The barrister cited evidence from Alejandro Romero, a concierge at the Eastern Columbia building, who said he saw Mr. Musk visiting Ms. Heard when Mr. Depp was in Australia. Mr. Heard said Mr. Romero was wrong, insisting that she wasn't in communication with Mr. Musk until 2016. In his written witness statement, Mr. Romero said from March 2015 onwards, Ms. Heard was visited regularly late at night, at around 11 p.m. to midnight by Mr. Elon Musk. The concierge claimed Ms. Heard gave Mr. Musk his own fob to access the building. Ms. Laws later put it to the actress that in March 2015, she was in a relationship or seeing Mr. Musk, which Ms. Heard denied. Ms. Heard had said that Mr. Depp accused her of having affairs with fellow actors, including James Franco, with whom she starred in the film The Adderall Diaries. Mr. Depp's lawyer asked Ms. Heard about Mr. Franco and her comment in her statement that he was someone that Mr. Depp was accusing you of having an affair with and he was quite wrong about it. Ms. Heard said, "That's right." The lawyer showed the court CCTV footage of the actress traveling downstairs in the lift at the Eastern Columbia building on the 22nd of May 2016 at around 11 p.m. local time, before traveling back upstairs shortly after with Mr. Franco. After Ms. Heard confirmed that the man in the footage was Mr. Franco, Ms. Laws asked her if she was trying to avoid being seen by the camera. Ms. Heard replied that the pair were talking and Mr. Franco was saying to her, "Oh my God, what happened to you?" when he saw her face. Ms. Heard said she collected Mr. Franco from downstairs after 11 p.m. local time, therefore adding that, "In those days, I didn't sleep much at night." Bed defecation, absolutely disgusting. Ms. Laws turned to an alleged incident in which Mr. Depp's cleaner was said to have found feces in his bed the morning after Ms. Heard's 30th birthday party at the Eastern Columbia building. Mr. Depp has previously said it was a mystery who defecated in the bed and it was not left by a 3 or 4 pound dog, in reference to the couple's dog. He said he was convinced that Ms. Heard or one of her cohort had defecated on the bed. Ms. Heard denied that she or any of her friends had left human excrement on the bed when challenged by Ms. Laws, calling such an act absolutely disgusting. Asked about the couple's dog and its problem with toilet training, Ms. Heard said it had become a common occurrence after one of the dogs ate some of Mr. Depp's cannabis as a puppy. She said Mr. Depp's housekeeper, Hilda Vargas, would clean up after the dogs occasionally, but that when her ex-husband's dog had accidents in the bed, she herself wouldn't clean it up. Ms. Laws said Ms. Vargas knew the difference between the mess the couple's dogs made and the human feces, and asked Ms. Heard if Ms. Vargas was wrong. Ms. Heard said, "I can't imagine what kind of human being would have a sense of humor like that, other than Johnny, but I don't think that's funny. I think it's horrific. I hit him to protect my sisters." Ms. Heard was asked about the alleged stairs incident in LA in March of 2015, when the actress has said she thought Mr. Depp was going to push her sister, Whitney Henriquez, down the stairs. Mr. Depp's barrister put it to Ms. Heard that she was the violent one in the very nasty row between the actress and her now ex-husband. Ms. Heard replied that Mr. Depp had hit her and her sister and denied Ms. Law's suggestions that she threw a can of Red Bull and spat at him. She admitted striking Mr. Depp in defense of her sister, as she thought he was about to push her down the stairs. Ms. Heard said this belief was based on a rumor she had heard from two people, that Mr. Depp had pushed a former girlfriend, which she thought was Kate Moss, down the stairs. The actress said she would never forget the incident in LA, as it was the first time she had hit him back in all the years she claimed Mr. Depp had hit her. Ms. Laws challenged Ms. Heard that she had never mentioned the claim about Miss Moss before, suggesting the actress was making this up as you go along. Ms. Heard said that she didn't have the opportunity to list every instance of every moment of every memory that has gone through my mind. The libel case centers on an article published on the Sun's website in April 2018, headlined, "Gone Potty. How can J.K. Rowling be genuinely happy casting wife-beater Johnny Depp in the new Fantastic Beasts film?" The article related to allegations made by Ms. Heard, which Mr. Depp denies. Her evidence was initially due to conclude on Wednesday, but will now continue until Thursday morning, with her friends Melanie Iglesias and Joshua Drew expected to appear by video link on Wednesday afternoon. The High Court in London heard that Musk made the offer about Heard, told him that she wanted a restraining order against her ex-husband, Johnny Depp, after alleging he was violent towards her during their marriage. She received a temporary restraining order against him in 2016. Depp has accused Heard of having affairs with Musk and actor James Franco. Heard denies having an affair with anyone. Depp is suing the Sun newspaper's publisher, News Group Newspapers, for libel after a 2018 article labeled him a wife-beater in reference to his former marriage with Heard. Depp denies all accusations of physical abuse and has accused Heard of being the one who abused him, which she denies. Heard also denies that Musk visited her in 2015 while then-husband Depp was away, telling the High Court that she only met Musk the following year. According to the BBC, Depp's lawyer, Eleanor Laws QC, read out the text sent on May 22, 2016 between Heard and Musk, in which Heard told Musk she wanted a restraining order against Depp. These texts came a day after an alleged incident at Heard and Depp's LA home. Heard says that Depp became violent and threw his phone at her, leaving marks on her face. Depp denies the accusations. In relation to the offer of 24/7 security, the text from Musk to Heard said, "The offer would stand even if you never wanted to see me again. Anyway, sorry for being an idiot. The radio silence hurts a lot. It only matters because I really like you."